Hi guys, welcome to another LeetCode Daily challenge. Today we'll be doing the question from 12th of July. Question is maximum score from removing substrings. Okay, so we're given a string s, integers x and y. We can perform two types of operations any number of times. So we can remove the substring ab to gain x points or ba to gain y points. I think we'll have then the maximum points you can gain after applying the above operations. Okay, so let's see. Take this example. So we'll remove this BA. Now this becomes points are added. I'm guessing whichever has more points, we'll try to remove that first. So let's say this is the string and x 4 and 5. Okay, 4, 5. 4 is what for? 4 is for AB and 5 is for BA. Okay, got it. So let's say we have BA here. We remove this. We'll try to remove this one first. Like let's say we have a clash. We can remove BA here or AB here. Which do we want to remove first? We'll remove whichever has the maximum point. So BA has maximum point. So let's say I'll remove BA here. I'll do 5. So this gets removed. Next, so this gets joined here. And again, this is also a BA. So we'll remove this. So this gets removed. Now there is nothing here. Now this is C. C gets joined to A. Now even these two don't match. Now we have AB and AB. Now this is also a BA. So we have three possible. Which do we want to remove? Now the thing is, if we remove this BA, thinking it has more points, we'll just get 5 points, and then this will be 5 plus 5. Okay, I think we should remove the BA. So we'll do another 5. So this to get removed, and then AB will be there. So that will be 4 points. Okay, cool. I just want to go over another example to be sure. Mhm. Now x is 5 and y is 4. Interesting. So tables have turned 5 comma 4. So let's say we will take AB first. Whenever there is a equal condition, we'll try to remove AB first. Let's see. So this AB can be removed. We'll get 5 points. Next, this AB will form. We can remove that. So this goes. Then we have AA, XX, BBA. Okay, and then this AB is there. So the approach that I was thinking is I'll try to remove whichever combination which has the maximum points. So AB has max points, like more points. So I'm going to remove only AB in this run. So let's say I remove this AB. So it will be another 5. Okay, and then this A will join here. This will be another AB. So that will be another 5. So these two get removed. So this entire thing is gone. Now what we have is AA, XY, BB. That's all. Can't do anything. This is 20. Cool. Okay. Okay, so what I am thinking is I have remove if x greater than y, remove all AB, then all BA, else remove all BA, then all AB. And this is going to be simple algorithm. How do we go about doing this is sort of interesting. Without AB, without AB. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the initial string and I'm going to split it. Splitting works by passing a delimiter by which we want to split. Now this delimiter is going to differ if x is greater than y or if y is greater than x. So boolean AB, like are we removing AB or what? Uh, I'll just call this AB without much doubt. So equals to x greater than y. So if x is greater than y, I'm going to remove AB first. So it is going to be split by this, but it depends on the boolean. So if boolean AB is true, then I'll remove AB. Otherwise, I'll remove BA. I hope this syntax is supported. So we'll have the string without AB. Now, um, how much profit or gain would this give us. So answer plus equals to x star. How many ab's did we remove? Okay, so how many ab's did we remove? Can this give me a direct number? I think this will fail if there is an AB at the start, and then there is something. If we split, now this guy will go. This one will be my first array element. Now, even if this was not there and AB was here, this would be split here, and this again would be my first element. So it is difficult to detect AB. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Um, let's see. Now, if x is greater than y, which is greater than y means I need to remove AB. So int ind equals to s dot index of AB. I'll try to find the index of this thing AB, and I'll get some profit out of it. I'll remove this AB. Okay. Now I have the index, so I have this index. Correct. What I'll do is return answer. Oh, there's no answer. Return x plus maximum gain from s dot. Okay, I'll just calculate the new string here. String new s equals to uh, substring. There's no exact delete method as such, so we'll have to do a substring, add those two substrings together. So index of AB, this gives me the first index, or it gives me -1. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, -1 case I'll need to handle. Now if ind less than 0, return maximum gain. S string remains the same. X, I'm going to bring down the x value, and y is going to remain same. So that from now on only y means BA gets processed. I don't ever come back here in this loop again. Otherwise, ind substring from zero to ind won't be included, plus s dot substring. Now ind is a, then b is ind plus 1. We want ind plus 2. Uh, ind plus 2 till the end. But a small check we need to put, plus ind plus 2 should be less than s dot length. If so, I'll do this. Otherwise, I'll put empty string. Good. This is, let's say, the second part. Put this together. Ind plus 2 is less than s dot length. I mean, it has to be like inside the string length, right? Now we have the new s. Simply put pass in the new s. The x remains same. The y remains same. Cool. Now repeat the same thing. Okay. For the other case. We'll take the index of BA. Now if this index is negative, x remains same, y becomes -1. Okay, y becomes -1. If x is less than 0 and then y is less than 0, return 0. We can't do anything at this point. There's no gain that I can get. Okay. Now new s is substring. I think this would remain same. Let's see. I have a feeling we're going to get a lot of edge cases, but yeah. 16. What are we missing? 16, 16. So it did 4 times of 4. Huh. If x is negative, y is negative, return 0. Initially we got what? This. Now index of BA is supposed to be this. Why did it not? I'm going to put a simple debug statement. I know it's not debug statement, I just call it that. So that's what it serves me as. So let's see. We got the entire string. I think yeah, this BA was reduced, so that is 5 points. And then we have double A's, and then this BA was reduced. We got another 5 points. How is it 16 then? We have BAB, and then LSA, and then this BA was reduced. Another 5 points, and then this AB. Why did we do this for two instances? That is, this is something we need to check, and then this one shouldn't even open actually, because I put the system outprint here, X at this point, so this one gets removed. Maybe this one, but why did it not get removed in this call? Hmm, I think maybe we were trying to remove AB again. Sorry, what? BA again. Okay, we were trying to remove BA. So when this opened, we're trying to remove BA again. So um, yeah, and the IND is actually negative. So we pass this BA. Y is greater than X. Oh, okay, so this case, and then we pass same S, X and -1. Okay, now X becomes greater. We come here. Yeah, I can remove AB now. X. Oh, this has to be Y plus plus. Okay. Oh, silly mistakes. Cool. Hmm. Not very. Let's see. Really? As suspected. So the thing is, you're doing too many recursive calls. There's too many of them every time. Like I keep opening one more recursive call, which is not getting appreciated by the system. The system can't support this. Huh. I mean, we somehow need to count. Like, let's remove all the ABs in one go, something like that, or all the BAs in one go. Can't keep doing one more. Okay. Um, what do we do? The split method was good, but yeah, it has its own problems. Let's see. In Java, how many times did we get Java? We'll put split parts length -1. But how does it guarantee that? So parts length, right? It will give me one is this, two is this, and three is this. Correct? Splits at each occurrence of the same length of the resulting array -1 gives you the number. Index of Java. I can't do this. This will be again like linear every time I remove something. I don't want to do that. Uh, regex again. Can't don't want to increase it one by one. Complete example program. I want to see how the split is working. Split even I thought of split, but that's the thing. Hmm. But using string utils dot count matches. So I am not sure if this will be available to us on LeetCode. Don't want to do count plus plus dot split find string -1. What is -1? Oh, I'll need to check the syntax. Without the -1, with it will drop trailing matches. Want you to know it. Interesting. So we have something for trailing and leading. Interesting. Dot length -1. Should try this. Let's see. Do we have string utils available to us? Okay. If x is greater than y. So we want to split by AB this time and B in this one. So I'll remove this thing and I'll remove this thing. So if x is greater than y, I want to remove all ABs first, right? So what I am going to get is string without AB equals to s dot split. AB is going to be there. Now int answer equals to temp answer. This is going to be, this is not the final answer, equals to x star without AB dot length minus 1. Without AB dot length minus 1, we have the temp answer. Now this has been split with AB, correct? That's the thing. If it is not there, let's say AB is not there at all. Let's say it is B, D, Z, X, Y. AB is not there. Okay. This will still give me 1. Oh, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so meaning if temp answer equals to 0, so nothing happened here actually. There was no AB to split. So I want to stop the splitting of ABs from next time. So I'll return maximum gain. S would remain the same. S would X would become minus 1 and Y. Otherwise, what I'll do is string new S would be something. I'll tell you what it is, and I'll return temp answer plus mac maxi maximum gain S new S, sorry, and then X and Y. Yeah, we'll need to keep doing this recursively, because the thing is, whenever we remove something, a new string forming can have again those characters. So it can't be in one, can't happen all in one go. But still, we're trying to do as many as possible in one go. New S, okay. So new S going to be, we have to join these. So this is going to be an array. My bad. It is string utils dot join. Let's check string utils dot join. Join string array. Oops, Java. Something dot, yeah, string dot join delimiter and elements. I don't want to join them with anything. Delimiter and the array. Okay. New S is going to be uh, s string dot join delimiter. Don't want any delimiter, so it is going to be empty. And arrays without a b. So this is our new S. We'll pass this new S. We need to do the same thing in here also, but just that the string would be split by ba. Temp answer would be given by y, since y is greater in this case, without a b minus 1. Now if temp answer is 0, I'll have to make y equals to minus 1. Okay, and then string dot join this without a, without, okay, let's call this ba. And then we're returning. Okay, cool, sounds good. And then we have this check also, that we don't have x and y have both been exhausted. So what do? We just return simply okay, my bad. Syntax errors are always going to be there, I tell you. Wrong answer. So okay, what has happened? If this answer is 0, there is nothing more to remove. Now new S is string dot join without va, maximum gain new S xy. Okay, if x is greater than y, if this happens, I'll have to do this again. Initial string with 4 5. Remove one, this thing, so this will be a. Oh, this one also got removed. Okay, so 2 got removed. So tell me this, if we have removed 2, So this one would split here. So one string, and then this would be the second string, and then this will be. Hmm, I don't know. I have this is the exact confusion I had in the beginning, and that's why I didn't do this approach first. But it turns out we'll have to do this only. We're missing out one on one game. Is it 15? It should be 16 at least. But okay, cool. Yeah, it is a problem with the trailing this thing. Hmm. String dot split. I need to check the documentation actually. Missing something. The for the trailing this thing limit it seems limit can have three values. If it is positive, it will be applied at most limit minus one times as many times as possible. You can array of any size. Trailing empty string will be discarded. Do we want that? I don't think we want that. We want to keep the trailing. Okay, so let's check for. Okay, we're splitting this. Let's do it for s. Let's split it for s because at the rate is not leading anywhere. So it means the same. So for s, if my limit is positive, means maximum that many times. Hmm. If it is 0, so we leave out the trailing. We don't want to do that. I think this is the best case we want to do. So it will give me 1, 2, 3. Now this is 4. This is 5. This is 6. 6 is the resultant array size. How many s were there? 1, 2, 3, 4 only. 3, 4. Now that minus 1, 6 minus 1 is still 5. That is not correct. Might have to do minus 2 honestly. Split, split, split. Might have to do minus 2. Mm-hmm. Okay. This will need to be removed. What is happening here? So we have this string with BA. Minus 1 says that the trailing spaces won't be ignored as many times as possible, and the resulting array can be of any size. Okay. Yeah, so I think in this case, what is happening is whenever our so in the previous without the minus one, the problem was the trailing characters, the trailing, let's say A, B, or B A is at the end. Whenever that was split there, the last there is going to be an empty string. But we were ignoring that, so we're sort of adding it back. We want the trailing empty split string also. We just need to use this as a test case just to be sure that we are dealing with the TLE now. Cool, perfect. Again. Mm, okay. I think we should avoid recursive calls at all, like completely. So, okay, let's have only two recursive calls. Let's try to remove all the ABs in this one only. Okay, let's move this down. Uh, okay, so what is going to happen? See, I am trying to do everything in one go only. The recursive calls, they are causing a lot of TLE. So I'm going to do it everything here only. So let's say we got one this thing, we'll have a temp answer. So what we want to do is, mm mm, how will we go about this? This will be while s dot index of AB is positive, is not negative actually, so greater than equals to 0. meaning we have some ABs to split and to do our operation on. Okay, so what we'll do is like we have some ABs, correct, while s dot index of this thing is greater than 0. So what we'll do is we'll find the string array without AB, which is going to be s dot split AB minus 1. We'll get our temp answer. Now, so this would still stand there, saying if my temp answer is 0, meaning no, this won't happen actually, since we have at least one AB to process. Okay, since we have at least one AB to process, we'll get at least two substrings, and then two substrings will give me one answer. So yeah, this won't happen ever because we have this check over here. Okay, I don't think we'll need this condition, but okay, fine. I have the temp answer. Now the thing is, I'll have to maintain temp answer equals to 0. Temp answer I got, answer plus equals to temp answer. Okay, and then new s I'll find, and then what I'll do is s equals to new s. Basically, we keep going around and around till we have removed all the ABs, and then finally index of AB would be negative, meaning we have exhausted all the ABs. So what we'll do is we'll return answer plus maximum gain minus 1 in this. Cool, perfect. Now the same thing we'll need to do here, just with different string. So while index of BA, we'll split it by BA. This is going to be without BA. Mm, this temp answer s equals to new s. Okay, and this is going to be x would be there, y would be minus 1 now. Cool, perfect. So we'll remove BA exist, we split it by BA. We'll take a temp answer, we'll do answer plus temp answer, we'll find a new s. Okay, and s becomes new s, and we'll keep doing this whenever we end here. We have an answer plus maximum gain x is. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. Missing out on something. What can be the problem here? Okay, what am I missing? This one is working fine. This one, what is the difference in this case? Maybe I'm missing one. It is actually this case, right, in which y is greater. Yeah. Okay, while s dot index of BA is greater than equals to 0, so while it exists, it is not negative. Defined without BA, so that is s dot split BA minus 1. Okay, so what? Why don't we do it in one go only? What do you mean? So if x is greater than this is just one more call. I don't think that will be a problem. It is about which one you want to remove first. Okay. So while s dot index of BA is greater than 0, we'll have without BA is s dot split BA, temp answer is x. This has to be y star. Y star without BA, then we have the temp answer and everything. Perfect. Mm-hmm. This really should not happen. What is the problem? I'm removing all the ABs in one go. Whenever I remove them, I'll have a new string, and this is the only way of doing this. I can't. Uh, I'll of course have to form a new string and then do this. Removing all the ABs in one go. What is it that I'm really missing? TLE. Uh, Without AB, so there's no AB here. B and A can they can form together. S dot length is 10 power 5x. So this is fine. 10 power 5. I'm removing all the ABs. Instead of joining the string back together. Having a new S. So is there any way to optimize this while loop? X is greater than Y. Y is greater than X. Answer equals to temp. Answer. That is the thing. We'll have to keep doing this. There's no way around this. Okay, I'm going to look at a solution. So I think we've already spent a lot of time on this. Any solution is fine. So I think remove the a point gain 5 new string. Yes, dude, I'm doing the same thing. Start like this. A count, B count, lesser result. If C is greater than B. I really don't like such solutions where there is just like some there's no logic or no flow. Come on, dude. Low priority pair, first pass remove high priority pair, remove string S, remove pair count. Okay, fine. How already got the count. Now total is something. Okay. Now second pass remove low priority pair. What? How can you remove? Uh, the string still greedy. And I still don't like it. Top is this, top score is 5, bottom is this, bottom score is something. Remove prior. So remove something and then give me the top score, remove something, give me the bottom score. How are you removing this? S and then we have a target. I think S has a dot remove. Please don't tell me that is true. Right index count, S dot length, S dot set caret, set. There's some right index, okay. S dot caret, this thing is bruh. Okay, stack approach is fine. I understand why they're using a stack. So whenever your stack becomes AB, you have a B, and your stack top has A. You'll remove these two, and then you'll continue on your next flow. Okay, so that's why it is like this. Cool. I think let's do that. Removing everything. Let's just remove this. Oh, I'm going to keep my approach of sending a -1. It just makes my code a bit easy to understand. So, what do we do? Two pass will need to take two passes. Okay, that is something we'll have to accept. Two passes will need anyway. So let's do this. We have S for int I equals to 0, I less than S dot length I plus plus. Okay. Now char ch equals to S dot char at I. Now I'll need a stack as well, right? Let me declare it here only. Stack. This is going to be string or char. Make it character only. Uh, st equals to new stack. Okay. Now if ch equal This is what if x is greater. X is greater, we remove AB. So this is B. Mm, if not st dot is like we have something inside the stack p ty and stack is not empty and character is b uh, okay, and st dot peak equal a. So this is forming ab. Then what we do is let me keep a temp answer here and temp answer equals to 0. What we do is st dot pop and temp answer plus equals to what x value. Okay, that's all right. So we have the string s. We're moving ahead. We get the character at the current index. If this character is b and st dot peak has a, means we're forming a b sequence. A b sequence will append it, and then we do. And then when I go to the next one, again a new character will be there. We'll go move to the next character. I'll see what the top is. Okay, and finally, when we have, I think this would remove all the ab's. Yes, correct. It is sort of the same. It is removing all the ABs from initial string S, but it is doing it in one pass of the initial string. We had to like break it, then put it together, then break it, then put it together. That was taking a lot of time. Now, whatever is there inside, everything is inside the stack. We need to take it out, and we need to remove all the other sequence, which is BA from it. So what I'm going to do is string new S equals to this nothing while while not st dot is empty. What we'll do is we'll remove new s equals to whatever is removed dot pop plus new s. Okay, because it is say new s, you have x already taken out, and then the next character is going to come out. It is going to get added behind this thing. So we have the new s, and we'll return temp answer plus maximum gain. This is going to be the new s, and x is going to get exhausted now, and then y we are going to send. Okay, same thing happens here. Temp answer 0 will iterate. And now s is not empty. Character is a, and the top is b, meaning we are forming sequence b a. Will pop, and then this will get added to y. New will find a new s, and will pass the new x here. Now this is just going to be what x comma minus 1. Okay, and whenever both are negative, means we have processed everything. Okay, one thing at a time. That's all. Answer is 0. Expected is 19. Of course it is. Okay, we have the stack as t is the new stack. If x is greater than y, which it is in the beginning, temp answer is 0. Like it is something that we. Oh, we forgot to add this character. We got the character. Now if it is not empty, and then we do this else st dot push ch. Now, if this character is forming a sequence, if there is any other case, whatever the new character is, we just need to put it into the stack based on that. Perfect. The PLE is also working fine now. Let me submit this, and then we can have a small discussion around what we did. Again, dude, this is the third PLE for today. I don't think I'm missing anything at all in this case. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me stop. If x is greater than y, we have the new s. Okay. And after this point, so we have found a new s. Let's do s equals to new s. Okay, and let me put this code here. Now this is there. Let's not redeclare temp x. Now we have s. Stack is of course empty now. I'll try to form the second sequence. And after the second sequence is also done, I don't need to reform this. I can simply return from here. Okay. And then in this case, I have done this with VA. What I'm going to do is s equals to new s. So I have made the change the string. Now what I'll do is I'll move around it. Stack is empty. Find a character, form a sequence A B, pop it, add it to my temp answer, return temp answer. The same thing. Dude, what was the problem with one recursive call? Two recursive calls. That was not a lot. Yeah. Finally. Each 5%, so it is still very slow. There are more optimized solutions. Okay, so let's quickly reflect on the mistakes that we did. I did. Firstly, I thought that the string dot split method can't help us because I thought there will be an edge case which was not there. So that took us in our first mistake loop where I tried removing one matching sequence and one recursive call, and then we kept making one extra recursive call every time. That was the problem in the first one. In the second one, I started using the split method. However, the string that was forming, so let's say in one go, I was removing all the BA. So this is one BA, this is one BA. But then I was putting the string back together and then again doing the same thing on the string till there were no BAs available. So this was sort of like a multi-pass on the initial string because the string dot split method that also linearly looks through the entire string to find a matching sequence. That was a mistake that I did not realize that split method also is linear in itself, and then I was sort of doing it in n square, the split thing. Okay, so that is when I looked at the solutions and I found out that we need to do it in one pass of the string, and then the and to remove the matching sequence, we can use a stack. So this was a good approach. So whenever we keep pushing everything in the stack, so let's say I've pushed B till B here, and the next is A. So I know that this is going to form a sequence. So I'll remove it. I'll pop this one also, and then I'll move to the next A. Again, this B and this A is going to form a sequence. In this way, one single pass, I can remove the higher priority sequence, matching sequence, which is sorry, BA in this case. And then in the second pass, we can remove the lower priority one again. Right. And then I submitted this. Again, I faced a TLE. The reason was I was removing all the ABs. Let's say AB has higher priority. Okay. In this one, AB does, correct. So let's what was happening is I was removing all the ABs first and then making a recursive call to remove all the BAs. And after the BAs were removed, again one recursive call with both X and Y as -1, and there was a check here. Now, this, for some reason, for a very large test case, was giving me a problem because I was making three recursive calls. I don't know why I'm not supposed to do that. So I brought everything here. So now what is happening is if x is greater than y means I need to remove the sequence AB first. So I have a for loop which is removing all the ABs, and then I'm putting the string back together, which is S, and then I'm trying to remove all the BAs, finally returning the answer. If that is not the case, if y is greater, then I'm removing all the BAs first, putting the string back together, and then removing all the ABs. Cool. All right. Yeah, I know the video is quite long. I'm so sorry for that. Just like you, even I try to think of approach on the go after seeing the question and try to figure out a solution. On good days, I get it in the first go, and on days like today, took me around an hour. So that is one thing. You should not wait around for that long to see the solution. Today, I just thought that I had the solution. That's why I kept trying. If you get stuck like in the first 15, 20 minutes and you don't see a way forward, I think that is a good point to look at the solution once. Sometimes, yeah, the approach like this you miss, and this is something I'm going to remember from now on, that a stack approach is available, is possible, is doable. So yeah, but overall a good question to increase our learning, and that is what we are here for. So cool. All right. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.